We've got a game-changing video for you on how to transform your bedroom into a luxurious oasis without breaking the bank. Stick around for some budget-friendly tips that will leave your space looking like $1,000,000. A quick and easy way to make your bedroom look expensive is by ensuring your bedding looks flawless. Instead of spending big on high thread count sheets, try this trick. Lightly spray water on your bed sheets and give them a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. Invest in a stylish side drawer for your lamp. Not only does it add a touch of sophistication, but it also helps declutter your space. Consider choosing a side drawer with multiple compartments to keep your nighttime essentials organized. It's all about those elegant, functional details. Create a small tray of accessories or everyday essentials. This can include your favorite perfume, a decorative tray for your jewelry, or even a small potted plant. It's a simple yet effective way to showcase your personality and elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. To make your bedroom feel more like a luxe retreat, consider adding a bed bench or a small couch at the foot of your bed. Not only does it serve as a functional piece for getting ready in the morning, but it also adds an extra layer of sophistication to your bedroom design. Place an elegant rug under your bed to anchor the space and add warmth. It's a subtle touch that can tie the entire room together. Opt for a rug that complements your color scheme and adds that extra layer of comfort and style. Remember, it's all about the details and creating a space that reflects your personal style. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our design hacks.